Show slide 1 of the Genially presentation, and check to see if everybody knows the meaning of the words by asking students to explain, and give examples. Ask your students how music usually makes them feel, and have them explain. Tell them they're going to listen to 4 song extracts. They must not worry about understanding the words, just how they feel as they listen to them. As they listen, they must write down their impressions. Tell them to use the list of feelings in step 1 to help them describe how the songs make them feel. Play the first song extract, and have students share their impressions, and if they recognize the song and/or the singer. Then play the second, and do the same. Play the third and fourth by following the same procedure. Show slide 3 of the presentation, and have different students describe the photographs, and read the text. Ask students to say which situation is the worst in their opinion and why. Ask other students if they agree or disagree, and explain their points of view. Have a mini discussion. Tell students they are going to be musical counselors. Tell them you're going to play the 4 music extracts again, and this time, they must imagine which one would make the person feel better, and write down their first ideas. In pairs, breakout rooms, have students share their ideas, and come to an agreement on which song would be good for which person and why. Back to the main room, have the pairs share their answers and have a mini discussion. In this optional step that can be for homework, students write an email to one of the people giving them advice about their situation.
If you enjoyed this song-based lesson plan, know that by registering to the new exclusive membership area, you can get free lifetime access to extra song-based lesson plans like this every week. Exclusive materials in an ever-growing library of pure useful content aimed at ELT professionals. Exclusive videos you can use with your students with protected video links, with no ads and no distractions. Exclusive discounts on eBooks, courses, AI-powered apps, and video creation services by MUNDO Mars Digital, and the Design Factory. Interaction with teachers from all over the world, who also believe in the power of songs to teach English, in creative, innovative, practical and useful ways. Register for free through the link in the video description.